everyone, hope you're all staying safe at home right now. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite things to eat for lunch, shrimp cocktail. Shrimp cocktail is actually really easy to make. All you need are some really good high quality shrimp. They can even be frozen, a lemon, and some cocktail sauce. There isn't much to it. Before we get started, you'll need a few things. Black Tiger jumbo shrimp, frozen, a lemon, cocktail sauce, and you'll also need a pot with some water so that we could boil our shrimp. Okay, let's get started. Bring a large pot filled with water to a boil. First, you're gonna wanna take your shrimp and you're gonna wanna peel them, and if they don't already come deveined, you're gonna wanna do that too. So it's very easy. You just remove the peel from the shrimp, and then once that's ready, we're gonna put those into the boiling hot water. And we're gonna cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. That's the secret to making shrimp cocktail. You don't wanna overcook your shrimp because then they'll feel and taste extremely gummy. Okay, our shrimp are done. They actually cooked in a lot less time, maybe 2 minutes, just because we didn't cook so many shrimp today. I only made a portion for lunch. Once your shrimp are done cooking, you're gonna wanna transfer them to a bowl with some ice. To even speed up the process a little more, we can put them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes. So our shrimp were in the freezer for about 5 to 7 minutes over some ice, so they cool down pretty quickly. Now we can go ahead and remove all of the shrimp from the bowl and transfer them into a clean bowl. We're gonna wanna pour some fresh lemon juice over our cooled shrimp. Now we'll go ahead and we'll set up our shrimp on our martini glass. And just like that, we've got a really good lunch.